Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I wanted to show you my global door closer. Here's the most exciting part. Let's open the door and watch it close. Comment in this video if you think it needs adjusting, because I think the sweep valve is becoming clogged, because it's clogging up because this thing isn't set to go that slow. It's set to go very slow at sweep. But watch what it does. I mean, look at this. Look at how slow it's going. I'll tell you, let you comment if you think it needs adjusting, or if you think I'll let you comment if you think it needs adjusting. The latch speed is a little bit faster. And we'll watch it one more time, because we'll watch what's from the outside. This thing is very slow. I'll probably adjust it, but I'm going to wait and see what you, my viewers, have to say about it first. Because like I said, this thing was set to go faster than what it is right now. So at the most, I'll speed it up just a little bit. And here comes the latch. And we'll watch it one more time. The wind is actually blowing right now, so it's actually is being a little help to it, trying to force it shut. When I can't push the door shut, like I can't do this, because it gives off resistance when I do that. And I guess that'll be it.